we were talking about insertion of symbol. LibreOffice Writer allows you to insert symbol and special characters such as checkmark, boxes, and telephone symbols in your text. To insert the symbol and special character, we have to follow. Click on the insert menu. Click on the special character option. The dialog box will appear as I will show you. Drag the scroll bar to see the symbol and the special characters in the dialog box. Click on the desired symbol. Click on OK. The desired symbol will be appearing on your screen at the point. So let's try that. I'll click on insert symbols, and as you can see, there are lots of symbols available on the screen right now. If I want to see more, I can see more. Look, so many symbols are available, and if I want to use any symbol, I will click on it. I will click on insert, and as you can see, the symbol has been inserted on your text document. After that, if I want to insert a table, what I have to do? It is very important to organize and represent the data in a presentable manner. LibreOffice Writer allows you to present the information in a tabular form, that is in the form of a table, thus giving an easy to read format, like the tables which are shown here for the example. How we can insert a table? To insert a table in the LibreOffice Writer, click on the table drop down arrow present on the standard toolbar. Drag the mouse pointer to select the number of rows or column. You can also insert the number of rows and column. Either you can select them or you can insert the rows and columns. Let's do that. ये देखिए, here I'll click on the insert table option. After that, this is the number of columns I am selecting, number of rows I am selecting. So as you can see, I have created a table of 3 columns and 3 rows. I can do that by insertion of table or draw table option also, where I can draw the table. 1, see, 2, the table has been created. Or I can also directly insert a table by mentioning the number of columns and rows. As I'll click on OK, see, the desired table has been created. If I want to insert a new row or column, here is the option: insert column to the left, column to the right, rows above, rows below. So let's देखिए, I have inserted a row. Similarly, I can insert a column also to the right of it. As you can see, a column has been inserted. So entering a data, if you want to enter a data, you have to simply click on that cell and you can insert the data. Like I have done this, I am inserting data in the columns just by typing. So after the insertion of data, after creating a table, you can enter data into its cell. Follow the steps. Click to place the cursor in the cell where you want to enter the data. Then type the data. Press the tab key to move to the another cell or another column. Selecting the column, you can select the row. You can move the pointer just outside the left edge of the desired row. You can completely select the complete row or the entire row. Similarly, you can select the entire column just by clicking on these 2 arrows, which will appear in front of you like this. As you can see, if I'll click, the complete row gets selected. Similarly, if I am clicking here, see, the complete column will get selected. This is selection of row or column in your table. This makes your chapter, there is an insertion of row and column. As I had mentioned, to insert a row and column, what you have to do, you have to click on the cell where the row is to be added. Click on the table menu, or you can right click just like sir has done. From there you can click on the insert option. After clicking the insert option, how many rows you want to insert or the column you want to insert, let them know. Wherever you want, you can add a column or a row as per your requirement. Then click on OK. The desired column or the desired row will be added to your existing table. Simple. If you want to delete a table or a column, you can select them and click on right click, then delete cells. If you'll click, it will ask you to delete the entire cell, the entire row or the column. If I'll click on column, see, the complete column will get deleted. Okay students, this makes your practical explanation and the chapter reading session of chapter 5 complete for today. After this, I would be sharing the exercise part of this chapter. Till then, thank you. Take care.